guys, it's K510 Automotive Group. Right now, I came to check out the gas tank. You guys know we put the chemicals in there. We put it in Monday, and let's check out. Let's see how it is now. So if it's a difference or anything. All right, guys, let's see if this method really works. See if I can see inside of there. Oh shit, look at that. Damn. That shit stripped out all the rust. Damn, that's crazy. Oh my goodness. Legit. Damn, I'm so excited. Alright, man, to answer you guys' question, yes, it did work. I'm still going to get the right stuff to put in there so I can. It's like a seal kit that they give you. It's something. It's POR 15. That's the name of their company, and they have a kit that helps you restore your gas tank. I mean, some remedies on YouTube, and I was kind of skeptical if it was going to work or not. I wasn't sure if it was a good idea, but looking at the results I just seen, that's crazy. It actually stripped out all the rust. So now all I have to do is clean it out and put the cleaning products in, and then put the resealer in, and back in business, man. Saved me $800. So, hey, man, save some money, man. All right, thanks for watching. The car should be on the road soon, but next video will probably be me putting everything back in, or even buying the product and put it in, and then putting it in the car. So just stay tuned and keep watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to help grow the channel. You know what I mean? And if you guys like this, leave a comment or just like the video, man. That's simple. Just press the like button if you like what you're seeing and you want to support the channel and you want me to keep doing videos, man. Just comment, let me know how you feel, man, and I respond.